Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, camera not working fix in Windows 11. First method is click Start, click Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera, turn on Camera Access Allows turn on let apps access your camera. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Camera, right-click Camera, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Restart system. Third method is open any browser. Type manufacturer name with camera driver. Click camera driver. Click download. Click Finish to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.